Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your email address on Discord. So click here user settings, and then you can see the option email, and the right hand side it's called edit. Click here and you have to send verification code to your Gmail. So I'm just going to check my Gmail account, and then you can see the verification code. So copy your code and paste it on the here and click next. So you have to give your email address, new email address, which email address you are going to add on this. So for example, and then you must put your password here, otherwise it will not be done. After this, then click done, then your email address will be saved or added here perfectly. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.